Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shaun Roselt and welcome to my HTML5 and CSS3 series. Okay, so in this series we are going to be learning how to create websites with HTML and CSS. Okay, so we're going to be using HTML5 and CSS3. Okay, so HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so basically HTML is used to create the structure of a website or a web page. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet, is used then to style this structure of HTML. Okay, so basically HTML creates a structure of a website or web page, and then CSS makes it pretty, beautiful. Okay, so basically styles it. That's all you actually need to know for now. In this video series, we are going to be taking on a bit different approach. We are going to be moving quite fast, and this series is for absolute beginners. Okay, and it's basically a hands-on approach, so you must work with me. And if I do give you homework or something like that, then do the homework. Okay, so let's start, guys. I can take this out now. And okay, so when we code, we need a code editor. Okay, so you can go and download Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code if you are using a Windows machine. Visual Studio Code is also available for Mac, and I also think for Linux. Okay, and if you are using Windows 10, you can also download these free from the Windows Store. I kind of like this Formula Universal Code Editor. Okay. And if you can't find anyone for your system, maybe you're using Linux, or you can even do this on your phone. Like if you have an Android phone or something, or an iPhone, you can also do this on your phone. Just go onto the Play Store or the iStore and search for a code editor. Okay, so go search for a code editor, and you should find it. You can also use your phone to even program. Good. Okay. So I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code in my videos. This is it. So go and choose a. Oh, you can even use like normal Notepad on a Windows machine. You can use this Notepad as well if you want to. Okay. So now, if you have your code editor installed, you can join me back for this video. So I'm going to start right now. Okay. So every HTML document needs a basic page structure. And how does that page structure look? Okay. So it always starts with the HTML tag. Actually, let's first save this. Okay, let's save the file. I've already created a folder for all of my HTML files. I suggest you do the same. Then I'm gonna choose an HTML file. I'm gonna save it as one page structure.html. Okay, so save it as anything you want. I'm going to save mine as this, and it must have the file extension .html. Make sure that the file type is saved as HTML or as all files. Okay, so press save, and boom, now we have an HTML document here. Okay, so every HTML document must start with HTML, and this is called a tag. Okay, it's called a tag or element. And every opening tag, this is an opening tag. Every tag must have a closing tag. You close it with this. So you basically just add the forward slash into it here. Okay, so what is HTML? This HTML tag. It says here, the HTML element represents the root of an HTML document, meaning that basically everything inside of our web page must be inside of this HTML document here. Okay, so that's cool. Let's tab in. Okay, and within HTML, we always have a head tag. Let's close the head tag. And we also always have a body tag. Okay, so what is body and what is head? Because the body is basically everything that you see on a website. For instance, if I type something here now, hello world, and I save it, I'm pressing Ctrl S to save. And I go open this in a browser. Oops, not my thing. Okay, so I've now opened this with this HTML document in my browser, and you'll see it displays hello world. Okay, so everything that is within the body will display on the website. Good. Everything in the head is basically more for the back end. Okay, so let's see what it says. Body. The body element represents the content of the document. So then you can actually see that it says the content. And head says the head element represents a collection of metadata for the document. So metadata is basically kind of things that help with the search engine and just the back end stuff. We'll learn more about metadata later. For now, you can also learn that within the head you always have a title. So we open the title and we close the title. As a title, here you can read that the title represents the document's title or name. You can read the rest. I'm not going to read the rest. Basically, the title is the name or the title of document. So if you look here in the browser, you actually see here at the top left we have a tab, and it has this long name here. So for instance, if we type here in the title tag, if we type there now 1 page, let's actually have it in, yeah, page structure, and we save it and refresh here in the browser, you can press Ctrl R to refresh. You'll see now the tab title has changed. It now says 1 page structure. Okay, let's actually zoom a bit in to 150%. Okay, so this is the basic page structure of a HTML page, and you must learn this out of your head. You must not forget it. Okay, so it's always the HTML tag, and within the HTML tag we have a head tag and a body tag, and within the head tag we have a title tag. Okay, so now we are using HTML5, and to tell the browser that we are using HTML5, we tell them like this. So before HTML we have the doc type HTML. So this basically just tells the browser that we are using HTML5. Okay, so also remember to always have this in your document. Great. So that's basically it for this first video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.